Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make paneer curry with sprouted masoor dal. Growing sprouts at home is not a difficult job if you invest some time. I have uploaded many videos on this channel explaining the different ways of making sprouts at home. If you are interested to check them, you can check out the playlist Sprouts. For your convenience, I will also put a link to that playlist at the end of this video and also in the description box below. So let's begin with the process of making our curry. Here I am taking a pressure cooker and will add the required quantity of masoor dal in this. Adding water, adding salt and turmeric as per taste, and will allow this to boil for one whistle. After that, keep it aside. And here I am heating up a frying pan and adding mustard oil. Here I have some paneer pieces, 3 green chilies, garlic, onion and tomatoes. Once the oil is heated up, I will add pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Into this, we'll fry the paneer pieces until they turn golden brown. Adding pinch of black pepper as well. Some people prefer to add raw paneer into gravy and some prefer to fry them a bit. You can do however you like. Once the paneer pieces are fried and they have turned golden brown, I will keep it aside. In the same frying pan, adding little more oil, and we'll start frying our garlic, green chilies and onion. As I will be making a paste of these ingredients, I am not chopping the green chilies or the garlic cloves. Adding salt as per taste and also turmeric powder. I am also adding some groundnuts. Allow this to cook in low flame for a few minutes. And once everything is half cooked, you can add the tomatoes. Here I have some cashew nuts and kesar that I had soaked for 5-6 hours. And I will be transferring all this into my mixer grinder and will be making a paste of this along with our tomatoes and onions. Here our tomatoes and onions are also cooked. We'll transfer everything into the jar and will allow it to cool down. Heating up the pan again, and here our dal is also ready. We'll add the dal into the frying pan and we'll fry this for a while. At this point, I'm not adding that excess water, only the dal I want to fry. Here I have some homemade sabji masala and will be adding a teaspoon of this as well. I have already uploaded a detailed video on this masala recipe as well on this channel. You can check that out. Here our tomatoes have also cooled down and we need to make a fine paste of this. Dal is also almost cooked. We had already added salt and turmeric, so we just need to fry it for a while. Here our paste is also ready. We'll transfer this into the pan. And give this a good mix. After about 2-3 minutes, we'll add that remaining water which we had used to boil the masoor dal. Mix everything well and allow it to come to a good boil. Our dal is almost ready, and at this stage I will be adding the paneer pieces from top. I am also adding some chopped coriander and will switch off the flame. Now it's time to serve our lunch. Here I am taking some rice, masoor dal and paneer gravy, some sesame seeds chutney, some coriander for extra color, a green chilli, and some curd with jaggery. Here is a piece of lemon, and our lunch is all ready. And it's time to click some pictures for the community post. And this is how the thali looks like. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.